Hi, and welcome to the School of Magic. I'm your teacher, Daniel Lusk, and today we're going to be doing a magic trick with rubber bands. All right, now this rubber band magic trick is going to be a close-up effect, so I'm going to get closer to the camera. The rubber band is on these two fingers. It's a solid rubber band. Now watch. 1, 2, 3. It jumps to the other two fingers. Let's see that again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And there it goes. Now I'm going to actually lock up my fingers. That way the rubber band is trapped. Completely locked up. Can I still do it? Let's see. Solid rubber band. 1, 2, 3. And it still passes through my fingers even though it's locked up with magic. Or is it? Let's learn the secret. Here's what you're going to need. Rubber bands. Now for the trick, I used this orange rubber band. That way you could see it on the camera. Most rubber bands are going to look like this. Now I have a smaller rubber band that I use to teach kids with. Now my hand uses this larger one. It's called a number 19 rubber band. This is called a number 16 rubber band, and you can see the size difference. It'll say the number on the packaging when you buy the rubber bands. But for our trick today, I'm actually going to use this big pink one. That way you can see what I'm doing. Place the rubber band on two fingers. Now when I stretch it out, I say, look, it's a solid rubber band. What I'm really doing is as I'm stretching it here, I'm creating a big gap to be able to put all of my fingers in. You can see the rubber band runs all the way along the back side of my hand. Looks like it's just on the front two here. When I open my hand, the rubber band will jump to the other side. What the rubber band is doing is jumping between your fingers like this. Back and forth. Again on this side, I stretch it, show it's a solid rubber band. I've got a big opening to put all of my fingers inside. Then when I open my hand, it'll jump to the other side. Now you notice earlier I took a green rubber band and wrapped my fingers up. As long as you don't wrap your thumb up, the trick will still work. Watch. Wrap the fingers up like so, and the rubber band can still jump from side to side. Stretch it, get all of your fingers inside, and then I like to pass my hand over the front like this when it happens. Now I don't pass it the same way the rubber band's going to go. I pass it in the opposite direction so it looks like magic. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. There it is, jumps to the other side. Now, here's an alternate version that you can do. If you have two rubber bands that are two different colors, you can put one on these two fingers and one on these two fingers. Show that they're solid, and this time, take both of them, stretch them out, and put your hand inside both. Now when you open your hand, those two colors are going to change places. Now they've switched sides. One over here, one over here. Grab them both. Put your fingers in all of them. And the orange one's over here. Now it's over here. They've traded places. It's done the exact same way, except this time you just need to put your fingers in both rubber bands.